Hi Pratham, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Sir, I'm doing great, sir. Thank you.
Great. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Pratham today with us. Recently, he got placed with Liquid Intelligent Technology into the networking domain. He is currently part of a network engineer multi-track training program here at I-MEDITA. So today in this feedback session, we are going to discuss about his experience during the training, what kind of approach Pratham took for his interview preparation, technical classes, and other stuff related to his entire experience with I-MEDITA. So, hi Pratham, welcome again,
Hello,
and let's
sir.
get started. First of all, many heartiest congratulations as a fresher. This being your first interview, first job, how it feels like? कैसा लग रहा है?
So, first of all, thank you for having me here. So it feels great that you gave me the first interview call and I cracked it. So it kind of feels great. Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your background into the domain, what kind of education you have done? Are you a fresher or an experienced candidate? A quick introduction about yourself, please.
Yes, sir. So, myself, Pratham, as introduced. So, I did my graduation recently in Jaivantrao Sawan College of Engineering. So, it is located in Pune. So, I did IT engineering over there. So, and I joined I-MEDITA in August 2024. So, I completed my CCNA with Sugan sir. He is a great teacher, absolutely great teacher, sir, because the way he explains things, mixing the real life examples with the protocols, it is a great way to teach. And I'm greatly thankful for that. So then I started my CCNP training, which was by Vikas sir. And Vikas sir is phenomenal, to be honest, because he like teaches everything on point that he knows what the student should take and what they shouldn't. So that is a plus point of his teaching, and it's absolutely great, sir. So for then, like, my job was thanks to them, I got this job.
Okay. And you have still not completed your entire course, if I'm not wrong, right?
No, sir. I'm currently undergoing CCNP NRC training,
Okay.
and I will be joining CCNP Encore trainings from the 4th of January, which is tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just for the information here, in the multi-track program which we offer for freshers, in that we start with CCNA, then we cover CCNP Enterprise NRC, which is Advanced Routing and its services. We also cover CCNP Enterprise Encore module. Along with this, we cover network security classes. In the network security classes, we cover previously known as CCNA security content, plus some foundation of checkpoint firewall, Fortinet firewall, along with basic initial labs. And then we cover one dedicated advanced level of firewall related to Palo Alto, in which we cover PCNSA, PCNSA mix. So this is a program which we have created for freshers so that they are ready for the industry demands and they can apply for network engineer position, network security engineer position, and also cybersecurity related positions. So Pratham was part of this program. He's still part of this program. He has not yet completed his program, and during the program itself, he was interested to apply for the jobs. And this being his first interview, uh, he cracked this interview. So, Pratham, can you tell us a little bit about your interview experience? How did you felt during your first interview? Were you nervous, or you attended PD classes, interview preparation classes by Baldev sir? Have you attended those Sessions?
Yes, I did attend the technical interview classes by Baldev sir, which helped me a lot, to be honest. So there were 5 rounds in my interview. So the first one was HR round, and the other 4 were technical rounds.
Okay.
So when the first technical round was happening, so I was a little bit nervous, but when they started asking questions, like answers, like I gave the answers, I without any hesitation or any problem. So that was a great experience. Like Baldev sir teaches us how to give answers during interviews,
Mm-hmm.
and that helped me a lot in that.
Right.
In
Because understanding the topics is a different thing. You might know, or we might know everything in terms of content, but when it comes to what the interviewer would like to listen from us. That plays a very important role. So I think these technical interview preparation classes helped you to answer the primarily things which are
No,
expected in the
sir.
interview, right?
These interview preparation classes, they like Baldev sir tells us how to shape the answer, the
Mm-hmm.
way the interviewer wants to listen, like hear from us.
Okay,
So that is a different thing from how we learn the answers.
right. You also attended.
Learning the answers and shaping the answers.
Okay, okay, great. And you also attended the PD classes by Shweta madam?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, 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 great. And on a
But
daily
yes,
basis,
sir, I did give an interview. Like my friend Adesh was giving an interview during the PD session. So I asked him to like
okay,
tell ma'am to conduct my interview as well. And she gave me a very nice feedback, which helped me improve quite a bit.
okay, okay, great. And on a general basis, how much time you were spending with your classes, lab practice, and self-study?
Sir, when it comes to classes, I had my CCNP going on from 8 to 10 every day, like
Morning.
from Monday to Thursday. Then I used to stay here till 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. It was a group study session kind of. So like self-study and group study both were included. So we used to do a topic like when we group of 4 people sat together, we used to tell them that I will do this topic, you do this topic. So we used to complete individual topics and then we used to explain it to each other. So that
Okay.
was a great way to learn things.
But still, on a general basis, were you spending 6, 7 hours or less than that or more than that?
Sir, I guess I was here for 8 to 9 hours a day.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what motivated you to give these many hours for self-study? Environment, friends, or
Sir, friends as well, but the most thing, like the best thing was that the certifications which I saw, like the certifications which are at the entrance. So I was like, why not me?
okay,
That motivated me. And when we sit with friends, there's a sense of competency among them.
hmm,
So we have to do better than them. So that
right,
makes us that make me motivated.
okay, okay. And
Yes,
uh, you enrolled in the month of August, if I'm not wrong, right?
yes, sir. 12th August,
12th August. So, and you did your degree in which year?
2024 itself,
Okay, this
May
year.
2024.
Okay, great. So after completing your degree, you directly enrolled here for this program and
Yes, sir.
started learning networking and network security, all this stuff,
And
right?
cybersecurity.
Right. So I am 100% sure before enrolling with I-MEDITA, okay? Because this is the first course you have enrolled with I-MEDITA. This is your first experience with I-MEDITA. Before
Yes, sir.
enrolling here, there must be certain expectations. Okay, Pratham has enrolled with I-MEDITA for this multi-track program. I am sure before enrollment, there'll be certain expectations that this is what I am going to learn, this kind of training and knowledge I expect, this kind of practical knowledge I expect, this kind of study material I expect, this kind of support I expect from I-MEDITA, from I-MEDITA staff, from I-MEDITA resources. Today, when you have completed your 60-70% of the course, or when you are undergoing this course, August till now, approximately 5-6 months you have already spent with I-MEDITA. I would like to understand from your end, were we able to meet those expectations which you were having before enrollment and now when you are undergoing all these courses?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Because the teaching level was absolutely amazing. Like it was phenomenal. So like what I expected before joining, this was certainly beyond expectations.
Okay,
As like I got an interview call just after completing my CCNP 70%. So that like that definitely exceeded my expectations.
okay, okay. So not waiting to just complete the course, you got this opportunity during the course itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the major 3-4 things you liked here at I-MEDITA?
Sir, the 24/7 lab access is the best thing. Like I haven't seen any other labs in Pune which provide this facility. So that is a plus point here. And second is the study material which I-MEDITA provides. That is also amazing because like what we want to learn, like it is given very clearly in the study material. That is good, sir.
Okay.
And the trainers, of course.
Okay. And how you
Yes.
got to know about I-MEDITA? Because this is the first time you are enrolling here, doing some courses. So how you got to know?
Sir, actually, I was in search of institutes which provide training in network security and cyber security. So I got here and I just the counselor counseled me and I got in.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
And in terms of interview preparation, what kind of approach you took for the interview preparation? Did you follow any specific material or any specific approach you followed for the interviews? Or it was just your
Um,
technical interview preparation classes and some brush up before the interview? Like how you managed the preparation for interviews?
Sir, the interview was based on CCNA level. So I watched the lectures again, which recorded lectures, which are provided on the Trainonic application, which is another good thing about this institute. So these lectures helped me a lot for my interview process. Like Sugan sir told us that what we have to answer and how we have to shape the answer, like
Mm-hmm.
Baldev sir did. So that helped me quite a bit. And then the study material plus the technical interview sessions, which were also happening at that time. So it helped me for the interview selection process.
Okay. And you got all the required study material, lab access, and all required support from our end?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And based on your experience till now with I-MEDITA, if you have this opportunity to rate our services, training, and all other things, so how would you rate our services on a scale of 10?
Sir, I would rate it 10 on 10,
Okay.
honestly.
And any feedback, any suggestion from your end through which we might improve our training and services in future?
No, sir. It's best as it is right
Okay.
now.
Okay. Thank you, Pratham. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. This being your first job as a fresher, I recommend you to spend maximum time in upskilling yourself, learning the company related things, supporting your seniors with all kind of necessary support, performing all your duties and responsibilities as expected by company. Keep learning. This being your first job will be a lot of excitement for you, I'm sure. Okay, first
Yes,
salary,
sir. I'm
first
really
job is
excited.
always in is always memorable. So I wish you all the very best. Keep learning, continue your remaining course here at I-MEDITA. We are always there to guide you, assist you, stay in touch, and all the best again. And thank you for giving us a valuable time.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.